Good morning. In the morning sun, till the morning sun. Down the storm from go to the stars, reach so far, fly in a digital sky. Bum, ba, 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 bum, ba, bum, ba. Forevermore. Drosophila of artificial intelligence? What does that mean? From the first key tap to the final map, every challenge faced in this coder's race. The player scores the sum of their pieces' individual values. The pair of bishops is worth an additional 1. If the player's king is not on the board, the player's score is set to 0 regardless of the value of their pieces. White piece is uppercase, black is lower. Output the score of the white player. So we just want uppercase, okay. Oh. This coder's race. Oh, oh. Key tap to the king. Y or N? It equals false. Okay. So first thing we want to check the row is if row dot find. Okay. And we're looking for an uppercase K is not equal to std string npos. So there is a K there, then we'll just go king yn equals true. So then we'll just go if not king yn score equals 0 again. Okay. Otherwise we'll just go through here and we're going to calculate the score. Row dot count. How do you there's a I thought it was count. Sure, you can use the count function from algorithm to count the number of occurrences of the character string. Here's oh my std count. Begin end iterators. Okay, so score plus equals std count string begin string end, and we're looking for P. So that is going to be std count string begin and C character. Oh, single quotes, everybody, hold up. Okay, so P is worth what? 1. Good. So we got P NBRQ. Okay. So we're going to go bishop bonus. Dun, 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 dun. Actually, can't contain. Bishop bonus equals 0. Okay. So for the other one for in, we're going to go in. We're going to multiply that times 3. This one will go B. We'll multiply that times 3. Here we're going to go R, and we'll multiply that times 5. Here we'll go queen, multiply that times 9. And then we'll go bishop bonus plus equals. So we're going to add up the bishop bonus. Oh, I'm not forgetting. Okay, you're funny. You're funny. Alright, I think we got it. It's fine. Oh, wow. Kiss of death. Bum bum. Ba 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 bum. Ba 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 bum bum. Ba 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 bum. Ba 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 bum bum. Bum ba 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 bum bum. Oh. Whoops. Gotta do it again. Hold on. We will ride. Gonna sneeze. Okay, so we're waiting for that guy to finish. Oh boy, you know what that means. No, so I think we're going to move on from this one. We're going to leave it right where it's at in Space Trader New 7. Lerping and Jetpack, okay. It's not perfect, but later we will work on it if we're interested in whatever. So we have this, which can be a planet, and then this, which can also be a planet. Basically, we just need the space station mechanic. And for now, we're not going to add the chunks back. Okay. So what do we have with this? We have quite a lot of stuff with this. And then what do we have there? That's that. And we have, okay, we have one button left. Should probably add a few more buttons. I think we're going to add another row of buttons. I really like the keyboard controls, and like eliminating just one thing, I think we're all right. First of all, let's add a toggle to toggle the buttons on and off. All right. Small goals, toggle the button on and off. let's just write down here what we're going to toggle buttons on and on off. Showing. So I realize I've kind of been picking it up a little bit lately, deconstructing my space trader. That's so that I can reconstruct it more easily. If you like what I've been doing, please leave a comment. I'm getting a lot of watches, views and stuff, but not a lot of comments. And I'd like to see comments from folks, especially if you put what your projects are or where you're currently at with maybe graphics programming, OpenGL programming, C++ programming, if you're doing something Godot, some Game Maker, Unity, game dev, graphic dev, programming dev, anything related to that, or even just anything. Maybe you want to put a comment about your hobby that you're doing to take your mind off of programming, so that when you come back to the computer you're all reset and refreshed. Yeah, there you go. Just something. Say hi. If you would, please. Just a request. I am actually making a request. You don't have to, but we'll see how many we get from that. I would love to see comments from people around the world, whatever country. We're all brothers and sisters. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, spheres, Fortnite, zoom, silver shapes. Okay, so we have this. Do we have new text? Yeah. Or do we do the text up here? Bitmap font. Okay, so we don't actually use this text. Oh, we do for the Twitch chat. Okay, so do show buttons? Okay, so where is that function called? So where's the, oh, here. Still working on it. Debugging every bit, breakpoints set to hit, error free we commit, software bugs did my blitz. Can't be wrong. Arguments through the song. Sure, now that you can get key functions, check the state of the tab, you toggle the boolean variable purchase and example. Okay. While loops around, conditions tightly bound. Infinite it won't be found. Logic's perfect sound. Debugging every bit. Breakpoint set to hit, error free we commit, software bugs to my blitz. Oh, okay, so let's not use that. So does this wait while get key? It literally waits. Okay, I don't want any waiting in the code. Let's use like, I don't know. That's what I want, yeah. Do the thinking for me. Computer, I already know all that's fine. We're done. We're done. Thank you. So thorough, computer. So thorough. In this code, the check for key press function checks if the minus key is pressed. If it is, and it wasn't pressed in the last frame, it toggles the is toggle variable, prints the current state. The was key press variable is updated at the end of each frame to track the last state of the key press. Okay. This way, the toggle happens only when the key state changes from released to pressed, and there's no need to wait for the key to be released. This code should work well in the game loop without causing any delays. Okay. Is toggle on equals false? This variable toggled by the plus key. Was key pressed equals false? The variable tracks the last state of the key press. Okay, so we need those. All right. Okay. So in this one, I am GUI font. Da, 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 in the morning sun, till the morning sun. I keep getting it right. Okay, check for key pressed. GLFW window. Is key pressed window? Oh, so we need the window thing. Okay, okay. I'm with you, Cheech. Fly in a digital sky. Right there. What? Computer, what did you just do? What did I just do? Sorry. From the first key tap to the final map, every challenge faced in this coder's race. Toggle the is toggle variable. Okay, print the current state, we don't care. Update the last key state. Okay, so we just want that to call every frame, and then we will use that to decide at the end. Okay. Whoops, I forgot the name of the function. Check for key press and you send it the window. Oh. Oh. Check. There it is. Final map. And we send it the window. Space gems 1 window. Alright, and then we can go down here now. And this one only go if, and what's the boolean up there? Is toggle on, we were talking about, okay, is toggle on. Alright, let's give it a try. Should initially be false, right? Is there an error? What's going on? Oh, there it goes. Okay. I was like, what's happening? Now we can see the ship and everything. And then let's hit minus, brings it back. Minus takes it away. Excellent. So we can have the buttons be anywhere we want, as big as many as we want. Oh, and it shows the chat integration better now too. In the shadows. Alright, so let's see what happens when we go here. Oddly enough, there's kind of a walking kind of animation to it. Because it kind of goes down, yeah. Especially if you're looking down. All right. That's the one that has a little bit of dead time after the song goes. Be right back. So if I'm in another mode, it still does. Okay, cool. That's cool. Okay, so let's go back to this now. So it would be neat to see this in the other mode. It'd be really neat to see this in another mode. So I'm thinking about doing that. And the stream is not sponsored by Wendy's, but I want to look at Wendy's menu. Hello. Pretzel Baconator, Dave's single. Oh, that looks good. Dave's double. They actually do fresh made salads? That's crazy cool. Parmesan Caesar salad, that sounds great. Dave's triple, Dave's double. Wow. Big Bacon Classic double. It looks like I would want to try the Big Bacon Classic. Or a single. Just a single. Huh. How much is a single? I don't want to know what's on it. I want to just, how much is it? Oh, I gotta go through all this just to find out how much the burger is. Fine. Charge me $10, I don't care. Alright, I might go later. It's about a 30-minute drive. But I gotta get some other stuff from another health food store down there. So. Alright. So very good. We got the buttons toggled. That is good. We can add any amount of buttons, mess up the screen while the buttons are on, and then just toggle them away. That's good. Should have done that from the beginning, but whatever. This is the beginning. So now let's do... Okay, so which one? This one. I think we're already doing the ship rotation's already in here. Actually, is that ship rotation? So we can already do this. Excuse me, because I already copied it over, so. What's this one? I don't remember this song. Oh, cool. In my ear. Dun, 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 lost in code. Bum, ba, ba, bum, ba, dum. The night, flight. I think this was the old version of it. Dun 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 nine, bam birthday flight. Da 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 in, ba da da bam bam bam. Dun 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 nine, dun 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 dun. Hey Fifth, what's happening? Dun 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 dun. Oh, thanks for the raid, dude. You're the only one here, but I can shout you out. Whoops, Arth? I'll shout out Arth function. Did it do it? Is that the shout out? Or is it shout out? There we go. I know what I'm doing, I really... There we go. Thanks for the raid. Hey everybody, welcome in. Join us in following Fifth function. Fifth's really cool. He does all kind of programming stuff. JavaScript game engine with a really cool Doom vibe. So should I use this one? Or this one? I think I'll use this one. So I'm just going to put this into my thing and hope that it... Oh, nice. Cool.
Vibe function, so you can tell when people do it.
Cool. Okay, so let's copy this over. Okay, first of all, let's just put it in and see if that crashes anything, if it's working, all the directories are right, it's lined up. Alright. Okay, I just put in a toggle for the buttons, and then this is the mode I'm gonna do an alternate mode so that the ship is in the center of the screen like the other one. This one is still here. I'll just show off my other modes real quick. And then this one is the voxels, which is a random chaos of shader code. So let's go back to this one, and we want to put the ship in the middle of the screen.
Function, looking very nice.
Thank you. See, and we got chat integration there. I'm deconstructing it and putting it into this demo mode so I can excuse me, turn on and off parts of it, like turn off parts of it if I want, turn on parts of it, that kind of thing. There we go. Is that just the ship is gone? Oh, this could be the shadow dimension, huh? Where the ship is invisible. Alright, anyways. Alrighty, so that doesn't break anything, that's good. So let's look at the initialization that we have to do. Planets, where's the... Oh, it's all in here. Solar 1.
Vibe function. One time I catch you doing things but it's anime and sleep time lol.
It's true. I'm trying to work on it more and more. Yeah. The reason I did the deconstruction was to refresh my memory on stuff, so I'll be working on it more and more, dude. But have fun anime and sleep. Thanks for the raid. I have to check out your VOD. See what you were doing. Dun, 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 dun. Nice. That's cool. Dun, 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 dun. Stationeers, wasn't it? I think I might have seen a little bit. A little bit. Yeah, cool. Blast away into the sky. So planet's 1. Yes, it's a mix of AI music and my Steam music, but I kind of like the AI music, and then I kind of... Oh, I want to hear this one, speaking of. What I do is I tell Bing what I want, and then limit it to 200 characters, and then I put it in Suno. Cool. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Fortnite nights we hold tight. The darkest night. Bum 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 da, 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 da.
Vibe function. So like God and Satan battling using Blender plugins like legendary weapons.
That's awesome. That's gotta be an interesting song. Hey, let me give a shout out to that other guy that raided me the other day. I didn't even notice. Dreams in the distance, hyper light live. We hold tight. Oh, I can't shout them out unless they're in chat. Okay, never mind. Huh. Start one of those. Asteroids and crystals. Maybe I should use that other one. Space, solar system, star, planets. Because I think we already have, don't we already have the planets? Yeah. Asteroid fields, warp zones, beam down effect. Bum 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 bum. So what does this one have in it? Init text. Distance. Dun, 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 dun. Fortnite nights we hold tight. Bum 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 bum. Friends through the darkest night. So this is just the planets. I think I just... Okay. Asteroids, crystals, DND. Solar system, star, planets and moons, asteroid crystals, flowers, beam down effect. Okay, so let's not do this one. Oops, now it's repeating. That's okay. Let's go to Journey of an AI. Learn to see, so eat wild and free. Bum, 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 bum. Number of asteroid crystals. Draw asteroid crystals. Planets 1. Oh. D&D text. Okay, good. So this is the one I want. This is what I want. Fade away. And it's planets though? It's called planets? To lead, to help you through. I don't know, asteroids, crystals, and D&D. ACD. Alright, let's just call it that. Oh wait, do we already have it? What? BK asteroids, instance quads, 2D textured quad. Oh, that's the other asteroids. All right. This is the texture, isn't? D&D text in it. Okay, there's just stuff. So wait, what does this one do for asteroids? Update flower boss. Orbit. Init data. Try to lead. I don't think it does asteroids. Because it's just D&D there. And then flower boss, that's just the spinners. Dun 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 dun. So I don't even think I can use that unless I know what shaders go with it. So let's go like this. File save as. Just give me this. Copy that. So we want to find that. Try to this one. Main space planets 18 and cleanup. Okay. I think. See, eventually I just get to the point where I'm like, let's chill with some Stellaris music, and then we just turn on Stellaris music and chill. Let's go loop and random. Okay. All right. So here it is, and it's going to be the planets 1 space PLMN1. That's a good one. Let's do that. No comments in there. Space PLMN1. Flowers and crystals is all it says. Okay, so let's copy this. D&D text in it. It also has the D&D. So flowers, crystals, D&D. So we're not getting the asteroids. The texture to asteroid. And that's the init for it. So let's go down. I gotta get these functions out of here. Phew, here we are. Okay. Flowers. Just seems natural to say flowers, crystals, and D&D stuff. Okay, so that's the init, and what does it even do? Flowers, crystal. I think it just rains them down. Space planets 18. Oh wait, why did I? Particles dot particle init. Okay, we don't need that. Load shaders, music, blah blah blah. Space gems. Okay, show title. Play game, background stars, planets. Space PLM, just render. That's it. Render, and then here's an update. After these, update the data for the next frame. Player ship, lasers. Oh, okay. Ship render, init data, particle render. Particles update, space P font. Frame score equals do collision check. Okay, this interests me because I think... Go to definition. Check for collision with asteroids, crystals, and particles. Okay, so... yeah. Yeah, we might not do that. We can just leave this out for now. I just want to display the particles and go from there. So just render is all we need. And update data. We don't actually need update data because we're not going to eliminate any of them. Or maybe we do because that does the animation. Oh, and do collision check is right down here. It's a function. Okay. Stars, planets? No. Space PLM one. Okay, so ship rotation is fine. Okay, we're good. So now all we have to do is add the render and update. And give it a button, I guess. Give it a button, I guess. 16. And since it's 2D, we can actually go ahead and put it in the other. Let's put it in with one of these. It doesn't matter at the moment. So, textured points procedural generated. Let's put it in there. Does that need parameters or anything? No. No. Okay. So now down here we just add it. Okay, cross your fingers. Whatever. Whatevs. It's fine. Are we going to see D&D characters? That'd be so cool. Oh, we got the flower boss too, and we're getting all these characters. Okay, that's really cool. And then we can add the collision check and add a score and everything. So those are like the background, I guess. Okay, so we're getting the ice crystals and the flowers. Alright. And I like mine for the asteroids. That way we're not relying on somebody else's texture. Except for the D&D characters, which I will gladly give someone credit for those. Looks like some of them are squares with outlines and stuff. I guess that's alright. Those will be icons rather than the ones we let it use or whatever. Okay, so. Alright, this is cool. It's a little too much, that's true, but yeah. Okay, now do I want to go to Aberdeen right now, or I think I might have to go to Aberdeen right now, guys. It's a 30-minute trip, 30 minutes back. Plus I'm going to shower before I go. Or do I want to wait and go tomorrow, and then I can just have a Subway sandwich right now? I literally just got back from Subway. Okay, let me, this is cool. I really, really love this. Look at the flower boss. What's going on? Is it the same every time if I go out and come back in? Yeah, if I just restart it, it's going to have different, like, the flower boss will have different palette, right? No, it's the same. I wonder what it is. It's choosing. Alright, whatever. Okay, I think that's all for now. Oh wait, reverse mode, 5 minutes left? Okay, let's look. I got 5 minutes. For a reverse mode, sure. I wish I'd have noticed it sooner, but that's fine. Okay, the number, what? 131200 213 1312 213 6 4 20 Oh, well, it just looks like if there's zeros, they're put at the end. Wait, we want to do this, and then, where do we put the space in? Go like this. Then we just go like this. If count is greater than 0, or I is less than n minus 1, and then here we want to go if count is greater than 0. Wait. Too many spaces? Oh, because of that. Well, then just leave this one out. We got it. Woohoo! What do they do in Python here? He counted them. This looks like C the way they did it. Very nice. But it's Python. Or JavaScript, looks like that. Okay. Alright. Oh, we have enough people to do a raid. Let's do a raid. Who are we going to raid? Services will resume shortly. Who's on? Oh, Practical. Let's go to Practical, guys. You guys have a good day. Practical is a really cool guy who got funded on whatchamacallit. He got a Kickstarter fund and he's just going awesome. So, start raid. There will be more in about either 20 minutes or hour and a half or whenever, and I'm going to do some more challenges, do some more work on the demo right now.